Welcome back to Python tutorial for beginner. In last video we learned about primary data type. Before learning about secondary data type we need to learn about variables. If you didn't check my previous video about primary data type, check that first, link in description. Now let's start with what is variable. Variable is like box where we put all our stuff and level them for better organization. Same apply for coding. We use equal sign to assign variable. Here we assign 123 with num variable. Important thing to notice is variables are case sensitive. Here I assign the value with capital X and try to print smaller x so it give a error, as capital X and smaller x is different in Python. Be aware when you naming the variable name cannot start with numbers or symbols, but it can start with dash as shown. You can use a variable as many times as you want and you can assign multiple variable in same line just separated by comma. Thanks for watching my tutorial. In next video I will teach you about secondary data type. If you like the video then subscribe, and if not please comment to let me know how to improve. That's it for today, bye.